Good evening, my name's Bridget and I'm an expert opera singer, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert. And according to those lovely people at DIYBlinds, that doesn't matter at all, as you don't need to be one to measure and install your blinds. DIYBlinds have asked me, as an expert non-expert, to show you how quick and easy it is to measure up your windows for your new blind. Before measuring your windows, decide whether you want your blinds to sit on the inside of the window frame as a recess fit or on the outside of the frame as a face fit. Once you've worked out which fits right for you, it's time to measure your total bracket to bracket width. For a recess fit, measure the inside width of the window or door frame across the top. And for a face fit, measure the outside width of your window or door frame across the top. For windows without window frames that are face fit, measure the outside width of your window or doors across the top and add 70 mil. Next, calculate your drop measurements. For a recess fit, measure the inside height of the window recess from top to bottom. For a face fit, measure the height of your window from the top of the frame down to where you'd like the blind to finish. Just like a beautiful crescendo, if you will. For a face fit without a window frame, measure the height of the window from the top down to where you'd like your blind to finish and add 70 mil to both the top and bottom. Now, it's time to measure your panel widths. With a recess fit, start from the left inside edge of your window to where the panel ends. This will be your panel bracket to bracket width. Repeat for each panel, working your way across the windows or doors from left to right. For a face fit, it's similar to before, except start from the left and measure from the outside of the frame. If you have windows without frames, no drama! Just add 35 mil to the left and right panels. With every type of fit, try to line up the panel with the midpoint of the mullions and repeat for each panel. This will be your panel bracket to bracket width. And that's the final curtain, or should I say linked blinds. So, break a leg and order yours. DIYBlinds. If you need any more help, just sing out on 1300 918 390.